Hello everyone. Okay, welcome back. Actually, this is the continuation of the previous video where I told you that I will be showing it in the software. Okay, this is AutoCAD. Okay, what is this? AutoCAD. Okay, this is the floor plan. I was talking about the floor planner. This is the floor plan. From the drawing, you're looking on top. Okay, floor plan. Okay, now this is a wall and this is the door I was talking about, isn't it, in the software? Okay, in the next video also, maybe one of the videos, I'll show you how to use the mouse in the software. Okay, what's the characteristic of a mouse is very important, because this is everything, you know, this is your tool. Anyway, in AutoCAD, what did I tell in that video? That if I move any object, okay, these are just called lines. You see here, they're just lines actually, lines, just lines, separate lines, isn't it? Okay, you see, and this is not joined also. Anyway, let me just drop this. Okay, so if I move this one, these, what you say, the door. Okay, let's say I just move this door. Okay, actually there are different ways you can move it without affecting it. Okay, that's called stretch and all. For example, stretch. Okay, so it doesn't affect anyway. But what I'm trying to tell here is, okay, what I'm trying to tell is, if I change in one view, if there's another view here, there's no relationship, there's no link. In AutoCAD, that's the story. That's why it's not called like what you say, AutoRit or AutoRit or something. No, it's called AutoCAD. It's not Revit. Revise instantly. It's not Revit. Okay, this is in AutoCAD. Okay, now in the next video or in the next part, I'll just teach you how in Revit it is going to be done. Okay, I'll just pause this video and then I'll come back to you.